What is up guys, today I'm going to tell you the best suitable Gcam for Moto One Action, and I'm also going to give you the download link. So don't just go and download the APK because it's not going to work like that. You need to get the best configuration file for it, and that's the main reason I'm making this video. So like this video and let's get started. So what you have to do is just open the link that I have given to you in the description, and then just go in your Chrome and it will take you to this page. This is as you guys can see, ZGCam Exynos, and then you have to press download, and then you have to choose the latest version because there are a lot of versions, but the latest 917 version is the best working. So I have tried all of them. That's the reason I am making this video a lot late. Sorry guys for that, but I hope you will like it. So then what you have to do is you have to say I am not a robot here, as you guys can see, and then you have to do there a little bit of like you have to just complete the following steps. Like you have to watch an ad and then you have to skip that ad, and then you have to watch a video also. So you have to watch a video for around like 30 seconds. Just leave your smartphone for 30 seconds, and after the video is completed, their ad is completed, what will happen is you just have to cross it and then you have to press continue. So as you guys can see, there is a continue button. Just press on it and then it will try to start download. So as you guys can see, it's saying it's going to start the download, and then you can see the download is gonna start. So now just press direct access to website, and there you go. As you guys can see on the top or on the bottom of my smartphone, there it is saying, do you want to download Zcam? So I've already downloaded, that's why I'm not gonna download it again, but that's the way how you have to do it. Then let me show you the other thing. You have to go in configs, and if you're having any Exynos device like the Note 8, S10 or like any of the device, you can just choose their APKs. But the best config for Moto One Action is, of course, you have to choose the Moto One Action device there. So just scroll down and you will find the Moto One Action device. Then you have to just select this best tier action version 6, the middle one. That is the best working. I have tried all the threes, and that's what I'm saying. Then you have to just press download link, and as you guys can see, it is going to download. As you guys can see, it's asking, do you want to download again? So I've already downloaded, that's why I'm not gonna download again. Then you have to go in Play Store, and in Play Store you have to search Z Archiver. So you have to download the Z Archiver and you have to open this up. So just open it, and then you have to create one folder if you haven't already. So first of all, install the APK, then create one folder where you have to write, let's go here, and then this new folder where you will create the folder of Gcam. Then again go here, and as you guys can see, this will show up like this. It will be empty. Then what you have to do is you have to copy the Bastier configuration that you have downloaded, and then you have to go, and as you guys can see, this is the copy button. Tap and hold on the download, and then you will copy it, and then you have to go in Gcam, and then again you have to just create one more folder, and there you will write configs. So as you guys can see, I've already created one configs folder, and then go in that folder and then paste this file. So once you will do this, replace as I am showing you guys. So once you will do this, what will happen is, if you will just open your Gcam, let me just show you. Just open the Zcam and then double tap on the blank area just above the short button, and you have to choose the config and press restore. And that's how the Gcam will work on the Moto One Action, and already shown you the sample. Thanks for watching this video. It took a really long time in making, so a subscription would be massively appreciated, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.